Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, here it is. It's the big reveal from What's in the Box, version 5. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so at the time of this recording, I do not know who won What's in the Box version 5. I recorded this before I knew the winner, but I do know that the winner has won a 1/4 ounce of silver, a 64 Washington, and a 64 Roosevelt. So that's 1/4 ounce of pure silver, and they're both 1964, so they got them matched up for you. So that's a really cool win, I think. I think I'm giving away some pretty nice prizes here. And it's adding up, but that's okay because I'm having fun, and I know you guys are too. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's get this thing open. I'm sure there will be some type of invoice or something in there, so I'll have to deal with that as we get this thing open. But let's see if we can open this up without getting in too much trouble with my scissors. So let me put it over here. Turn this and open like this. Man, got the tape here. It's stopping me from continuing on. Let's see where this is going. I think you can kind of hear what's in there already. Let's get this open like that. Alright, so here we go. A little bit more tape to cut. Out like this. Looks like my invoice is right here, so that's good. Got it out of the way. So you guys still wondering? Pretty excited. Let's pull this thing out of here. See what we have. Oh, there it is, peeking out of the paper. Oh yeah. Got it off eBay. That's the eBay company I ordered it from. And so this is what it is. It is a brand new Guardhouse box. Man, look at the light bouncing off that light in the camera. So as you guys know, or should know, or maybe you don't, that I recently filled up my quarter box of 90% quarters, and I need another one. So this is it. I ordered another one. Not only did I order another one this time, instead of ordering the tubes separately, I ordered it with the tubes. And these are the kind of tubes I like. They're flimsy and cheap, but they're consistent and they go well with the Guardhouse box. So let's go ahead and get this open. Boy, this is not easy because it's such a great fit. Let's see if we can get this open here. Here we go. Let's get in there. Let's get this one going. All right, here we go. Ooh. Wouldn't it be great if these are all full? But I love consistency, and I love having the same tubes. So this is an empty Guardhouse box, and it's got all the tubes in it. And as you can see here from some previous ones I have filled up, these are the same tubes. They're called Numis tubes. Now they're cheap, they're flimsy. If you can see, the stuff bends pretty easily here. But again, once you get them in there, you get them in the box. They are a perfect fit, and I'm not planning on pulling them in and out of the box. Oh, what's this? Another tube. Oh, what's this? Another tube. Oh, what do we have here? Another tube. And I might have found one more tube. I had this, I needed a Guardhouse box for a while, so I had an opportunity to get some more quarters off my local resource. So there's one row done. And then, oh, what do you know? I found another one. Imagine that. So there's the 6th row. And, oh, what do you know? There's There's another one. So let's put in this one here. Alright, so can you see the consistency there? All the same tubes, all looking really good. So what I've got is a couple more tubes. But guess what? They're not Numis tubes, but fortunately for me, I just pulled some out and I have some extras to put in there. So why don't we go ahead and do that? This is a pretty easy process. I can just take the lid off of here, take this over, put them in there, and 1954 on top. And guess what? We got another tube. Woohoo! And I keep these around. They're good to have, but coin exchange, buy them off eBay. I know a lot of people do. Good company to, especially during eBay bucks. This would be a place you can go on eBay. They will normally have the Constitutional Silver for under spot. So check them out. Not affiliated with them. They have just done me well for pricing. So we have another one. All we're going to do is just transfer them to the other tube. Just as easy as that. And put this in here. And let's take this tube out. And we're going to fill that up with some quarters. So let's transfer these over as well. What do we have on top there? Nice 1960, huh? Let's put that in there. Fills it pretty well right to the top. That means there's not a whole lot of silver loss in there. And boom! Wow. Got 10 more rolls in the new Guardhouse box, huh? What a way to start your day. Look at that, folks. 10 more rolls. Whew. Love them. Look, we know I got one of them. Only one that doesn't have the heads up. So why don't we rectify that and put the heads up. That's a 1940. There we go. So that's it. What was in the box version 5? It was a Guardhouse box with the tubes. And I made you guess the tubes as well because I didn't want it to be just as easy as a Guardhouse box. But whoever won, congratulations on your 1/4 ounce of silver. It'll be coming your way and I'm happy to send it to you. And I appreciate you guys playing along. I'm sure there will be more. And it's been really fun and I'm having a great time and I hope you are too. And keep your eye out for some more. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.